English language class. How are you all? I hope you are doing well. Have you written the homework given the last class? What was it? I told you try to do the book exercise. I am sure you have done. Keep your good work. Today we shall do the revision work in the book exercise. Language book work. It means chapter 4 words. I already taught that lesson. But now I am going to take the revision. Chapter 4. The copy work, I have already given that copy work. It means a definition and example I have already given. But now I am going to take it chapter 4 words revision. Okay? Okay. Listen. All of you take your English language book. Page number 21. Chapter 4 words. Listen all of you. Already the chapter is over. You have done the book exercise also. You have done. Okay, book exercise also you have done. But now I am going to revision the same lesson. Listen all of you. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. Tick the actions you can do. Which actions you can do? Tick it. Okay. Eating, skipping, writing, swimming. देखो eat you can, skip, write, swim you can, because you can do the work. That is why you put the tick. Okay. Then understand all of you? Eat, skip, write, swing. That is the action words. Action words. Which one this picture? Did you see the picture? Eat, skip, write, swim. You can. That is why you put the tick mark. Okay. Then move the next exercise. Some words tell us what a person, an animal or a thing does. Such words are called verbs. It is the definition for the verbs. See, it is the definition for the verbs. Some words tell us what a person, an animal or a thing does. Such words are called verbs. It is the definition. You have already written that your copy book copy. It is the definition and the example also this one. Okay. Examples. Babies crowd. A ship sails. It is the example. Okay. Then write 2 actions you can do. Which actions? Write 2 actions you can do. Which one actions you can do? You say it is singing and dancing. You can. Is it correct? Yes. Write 2 actions you can do. Singing and dancing. So that we wrote already here singing and dancing. Okay. Okay. Let's move next exercise. It is page number 22B. In the poem, circle the actions the child can do. In the poem, circle the actions the child can do. There is one poem. What actions the child can do? Then circle the actions. Okay. Then see. I can tie my shoelace. I can tie my shoelace. See, tie is the action word. That's why you put circle here. Tie. Okay. Then next, I can brush my hair. I can brush my hair. Brush is the action word. That is why you should circle the brush. Then, I can wash my face and hands. Wash is the action word. That's why you put the circle wash here. Wash. Okay. Then I dry myself with care. Dry is the action word. You circle here. I can clean my teeth. Clean is the action word. That's why you put clean here. Circle here. Okay. Then the fasten up my frocks. Fasten is the action word. Put the circle here. Then I can dress all by myself. I can dress all by myself. Dress is the action word. That's why you put circle here. I pull up both my socks. Pull is the action word. That's why you put pull circle here. Okay. Let's move next exercise. See, rearrange the letters in the bracket to the name actions these animals can do. Rearrange the letters. Some words is in the bracket. It is a wrong word, but you can write here in rearrange and correct the answer. Okay. Then first one, a caterpillar can crawl. C-R-A-W-L, crawl. Okay. Bracket, the spelling is not, the spelling is correct, it is, but it is rearrange and write here. Spelling is there, but it is wrong. You have to write here in correct spelling. Its spelling is crawl, C-R-A-W-L. Then second, it is a fishman swim, S-W-I-M, swim. Bracket, it is spelling is there, it is wrong, but you can rearrange the letter and write here. Okay, S-W-I-M, swim. Then third, a rabbit can hop. Bracket HOP is written, but you have to write here hope. HOP, hope. You have to write here. You should write here hope. Okay, understand the exercise? Okay, listen all of you. I have already taken this lesson, chapter 4 words. I have given that definition also. But those who are not written the definition and example, you have to write in your English language copy. Understand all of you? This is the definition and example, this one. Those who are not written in your copy, now you have to write in your English language copy. Okay, then listen, more and more times you have to read the lesson and study well. What exercise I taught today, which this exercise you have to sit and read more and more and write and study the spelling also. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.